In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Teams from opening on startup on Windows. Many of us find that applications like Microsoft Teams automatically launch every time we boot up our computer, which can often lead to slower startup times and increased resource usage. If you only use Teams occasionally or prefer to open it manually, disabling its automatic startup can significantly improve your system's performance. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through each part so you can take control of your Windows startup experience. Let's get started. First, you'll want to locate the taskbar on your Windows desktop. This is typically the long horizontal bar situated at the very bottom of your screen, where you'll find your Start button, Open Applications, and System Tray icons. To begin our process, you need to place your mouse cursor over an empty area of this taskbar. Once your cursor is in position, perform a right-click. This action will bring up a small context menu, presenting you with a list of various options related to taskbar management and system utilities. From the context menu that just appeared after your right-click, you'll see several choices. Look for the option labeled Task Manager. This is a crucial system utility in Windows that provides a comprehensive overview of your computer's performance, processes, and applications. Clicking Task Manager will open a new window, which might initially appear in a simplified view. If it does, be sure to click More Details at the bottom left to expand it and reveal all the available tabs and information you'll need for the next steps. Once the Task Manager window is open and fully expanded, you'll notice a series of tabs across the top, such as Processes, Performance, App History, Startup, and Users. Our focus for this task is the Startup tab. This specific tab is designed to show you all the applications that are configured to launch automatically when your Windows operating system starts up. It's a handy feature for convenience, but it can also be a significant contributor to a slow boot process if too many programs are enabled here. Now that you're in the Startup tab, you'll see a list of applications. These are usually presented in alphabetical order, making it easier to find specific programs. Take a moment to scroll through this list until you locate Microsoft Teams. It should be clearly identifiable by its name and possibly its characteristic purple icon. Once you've found Microsoft Teams in the list, simply click on it once with your left mouse button. This action will select the application, highlighting it and indicating that it's ready for you to make a change to its startup status. With Microsoft Teams selected in the Startup tab, you'll notice a button appear, usually in the bottom right or, as in some Windows versions, the upper right corner of the Task Manager window. This button will be labeled Disable. To prevent Teams from launching automatically when your computer starts, simply click this Disable button. Once clicked, the status next to Microsoft Teams in the list will change from Enabled to Disabled, confirming that the change has been applied. By performing this action, you've successfully instructed your Windows operating system not to open Microsoft Teams automatically during startup. This means you'll gain back valuable system resources and potentially experience a faster boot-up time, as Teams will no longer be competing for attention in the background. Remember, disabling it at startup doesn't prevent you from using the application altogether. You can still launch Microsoft Teams manually whenever you need it by finding it in your Start menu or desktop shortcut. After you've clicked Disable, it's a good idea to close the Task Manager window. You can do this by clicking the X button in the top right corner of the window, just like closing any other application. There's no need to save any settings, as the changes you made are applied immediately. The next time you restart your computer, you should notice that Microsoft Teams no longer launches on its own, providing you with a cleaner and potentially faster startup experience, just as you intended. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've effectively stopped Microsoft Teams from automatically opening when you start your Windows computer. This simple adjustment can make a noticeable difference in your system's performance, freeing up resources for other tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your Windows experience.